Hello friends and welcome to our next class. And this class will be in our previous class I've shown you how to multiply a 4-digit number with a 4-digit number. And likewise you can apply the same technique to multiply a 5-digit number with a 5-digit number or 10-digit number with a 10-digit number. But what in case if you have to multiply a 4-digit number with a 3-digit number or 4-digit number with a 2-digit number? How will you do that? So in this class I will teach you how to do that, how to tackle such situations. And in the next part of this lecture will be verifying your answer. It's good that we are getting an answer in a single line, but this method is of holds good until unless you get the right answer and you have some ways to verify that you are on the right track. So this is what the second point we are going to be covering in this lecture. So let's get started. So over here I have considered a 4-digit number being multiplied with a 3-digit number. The answer is very simple. You will be just adding a 0 with the missing digit, and that's done. You'll be multiplying it as explained by you in our previous class. So just keep this diagram in mind and multiply it. 5 times 0 is 0 and 5 times 3 is 15 plus 0 is 15. 5 times 3 5 times 3 is 15 plus 0 is 15. 1 carry 5 below. Take the next two adjacent to a 9, so 45 plus 0 plus 3 is 48, and take another next two digit and do the cross multiplication twice. 4 times 0 is 0. 5 plus 6 plus 9, 20, 2 carry and 0 below, and ignore the first two terms and just consider the next three. 1 plus 12 is 13 plus 18, 31, 3 carry 1 below. Okay, and then ignore the last two terms. 2 plus 40, 2 plus 36, 3 carry 8 below, and the remaining 4 times 1 is 4. So just add them and you get the answer as 2003484. This is how you will tackle with 4-digit number with a 3-digit number. In this same case, let's suppose if we are multiplying a 4-digit number with a 2-digit number, we will be adding 2 more zeros and you are done. So now we come to our next part of this lecture, that is how you will be verifying your answer. Well, there is a very simple technique to this. What we will do is we will just add the sum of the question and the answer. So just look how I am doing. So we'll just add 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, which comes out to be, and again I have added 1 plus 2 is 3. Now for the next line, 3 plus 9 is 12 plus 1 is 13, and again I have added this, 3 plus 1 is 4. So I'm doing the addition between two. Now we know we are multiplying this number 3 and 4, so we will just do a simple multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12, and again I will add this, 1 plus 2 is 3, so 3 is the number. Now the same addition we will do with our answer, and if we get the same value, it means that we are on the right track. So let's do it. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, and 17 plus 4 is 21, and 21 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, we are on right track. But friends, it's good that we have get the right answer, but this is a bit a kind time consuming process. Now I will show you a method wherein you can just find the answer within a fraction of a second, and the technique that we'll be using over here is ignore digits 9 or the numbers that sum up to 9. So in our case we will be just again adding these numbers, but we'll be ignoring 9 digit, that is we don't count this, and we know that 5 plus 4 is again 9. Now 1 plus 2 is directly 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4, and 3 times 4 is 12, which is again 3. See, so quickly we were able to get the final answer in this case. Similarly in our answer, unfortunately we are not having any 9s or any of the numbers which makes the sum 9. So we'll just basically do it a normal calculation and give it answer. We know that the addition is 12. We know that the sum of these number is 21, so we add them. 21, 2 plus 1 is again 3. So if in our in some other question, let's suppose you are getting a 9 in answer, or a sum of numbers is to be 9, then you can eliminate the you can apply this rule to your answer as well. This is not that you will be applying it to only question, you can apply it to your answer as well, and this really saves a huge time. So I hope you like our lecture. So that's all. So these are the couple of questions that I've written. You can make your own and try it as much as possible so that you get a better hands-on, get a good practice in this. So that's all for this class. Thank you.